Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Stock Market Update. I'm Dan together with Mukhriz from Quantdynamic Research Company. We'll do a rundown on the stock market as of Monday of this week. After a dramatic turn last week in all major indices, we have seen a rotation to the upside on Monday. Further, let us hear what Mukhriz, our Chief Market Strategist, views the current action.
Thank you, Dan, for the introductions and on the market. What we have seen throughout last week, as we can see from the chart since last week, from what I can share here, we have some reversals on the Dow Jones, and then of course there is a big reversals with the Nasdaq, as you can see here. But yesterday and Monday, we have a good reversals from all major indices. For example, the Dow Jones has been up towards the 200-day moving average, and the S&P 500 is above the nearly above. It's actually on the edge of the 50-day moving average. Where is the Nasdaq? As you can see, it's still below the 50-day moving average and still under pressure, under the bearish territory. And one of the reasons why we can see that the stock market is doing some rotations, that we can see from the US dollar index has been under pressure recently for the past 2 days, and that really helps the stock markets to make some reversal from the downside. And another areas of concern at the moment is the 10-year Treasury yield, which is now moving towards the previous peak that has been reached there on the 21st of October. And we would like to see that the Treasury yield is still below the 4.33% area. At the moment, it's moving towards the 4.21% area. What we can see as well at the moment, the commodity market is trying to be on the upside. As you can see here, the crude oil market is still hovering above the $90, in which some analysts is expecting that the oil market will be bouncing towards the $100 area. The VIX index, as we can see here, is still under pressure, which is a very good sign, in which it indicates that the market is calming at the moment, even though we are seeing throughout last week some economic data plays that really spoke the market. One interesting thing is that the gold already reversed, jumping from the 1,620 level towards the 1,680 areas.
Oh, some interesting move on gold there, Mukhriz. So what can we know about that move?
One of the reasons perhaps why gold is now jumping towards the 1,680 area, there is some big buyings from the central banks around the world, maybe perhaps because of the current situations of the high interest rate and uncertainty in the market.
Thank you for that brief analysis on gold. Now, do you have some stocks moving this week, or perhaps what sector to watch?
Right. We have these EOG resources in which we are watching at the moment, and these stocks has been in our trends analysis. We can see that the EOG is keep on pushing towards the upside and might be breaking beyond the 52-week high, which is around the $148 area. At the moment, current sector that we can watch at the moment is more towards the electric vehicles, shale gas, and more towards the oil production companies, in which we're expecting they will be releasing some quarterly reports this week, throughout this week, and most analysts are expecting a very positive result from the three sectors this week.
A great overview on the market commentary. Thanks again, Mukhriz. There you go, guys. And we hope the analysis will educate you on the current market condition. Hope to see you again in the next stock market update brought to you by Quantdynamic Research Company. Bye for now.
Bye, Dan. Thank you.
Thank you.